Hey everyone! Let me show you how to chat with AI feature in SyllabusPro AI. What is it? Unlike study mode, which follows your syllabus, chat with AI is a free-form conversation mode. You can ask the AI absolutely anything about any subject, any concept, or even ask for general study tips. How to open it. Click Chat with AI from the sidebar. You'll see a clean, distraction-free chat interface with some handy starter prompts to get you going. Key features. First, chat history. All your conversations are saved automatically and you can see them in the sidebar on the left. Just click any past conversation to continue right where you left off. Next, new chat. Hit the new chat button to start a fresh conversation anytime. Finally, rename and delete. Each chat session can be easily renamed or deleted by clicking the three-dot menu. What can you ask? Try questions like, explain photosynthesis in simple terms, or help me with Python loops, or what is machine learning, or give me all the formulas for integration. The AI gives detailed, well-formatted answers, complete with proper headings, code blocks, and even perfectly formatted math equations when needed. That's it. Start chatting with AI today. See you in the next video.